Exercise, physical activity done to stay healthy or to get stronger. Stretch, to reach or extend your arms and legs fully. Jump, to push yourself with your legs and feet to spring into the air. Run, to move quickly on your feet traveling a distance. Sweat, water that comes out of your skin when you're hot or when you're exercising. Breathe, to take air into and let out of your body. Healthy, being strong and well, not sick. Muscles, parts of your body that help you move. Heart, the organ in your chest that pumps blood through your body. Strength, the power to lift heavy things or do hard work. Endurance, the ability to keep doing something active for a long time. Coordination, being able to use different parts of your body together smoothly. Flexibility, able to bend or stretch easily without breaking. Fitness, being healthy and strong because of regular exercise. Energy, the power to do work or be active. Can you spot the target words in these sentences? 1. I like to exercise in the morning to stay healthy. 2. Don't forget to stretch your arms before playing soccer. 3. The dog can jump over the fence easily. 4. I run in the park every day to keep fit. 5. After jogging, I usually sweat a lot. 6. Remember to breathe deeply during yoga class. 7. Eating vegetables is good for a healthy lifestyle. 8. Weightlifting exercises help build strong muscles. 9. Running is good for your heart and overall health. 10. Push-ups can help increase your strength. 11. Swimming regularly can improve your endurance. 12. Practicing balance exercises can improve your coordination. 13. Stretching exercises can improve your flexibility. 14. Going to the gym helps me work on my fitness. 15. Eating breakfast gives me energy for the day.